Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve login problem on Discord. To know how to fix or how to solve login problem on Discord app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Discord and you will enter here. Then this page, you will enter to the window of First Stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.